Filtermist received Great Place to Work certification this month, and to celebrate, the Filtermist Group executive team hosted a barbecue for all of the team.
Best thing about working at Filtermist, I'm surrounded by them, all the people that I work with and the guys in my team.
Filtermist is a great place to work. You get loads of training opportunities, extra holidays for your birthday, and the people we work with are fab.
Filtermist is a great place to work. It's a great team to work with, just like Mandy.
Filtermist is a great place to work because of all the opportunities I've been given in the last 8 years.
The best thing about working at Filtermist is there's a big variety of different projects which are always good to get your teeth into.
Yes, the Filtermist is a great place to work because of the opportunities and the great people that we have, like Troy. Thank you.
Filtermist is a great place to work because
we work great together.
Okay.
Filtermist is a great place to work because it really believes in investing in its people and training.
The best thing about working for Filtermist is being allowed to do what I do best.
Filtermist is a great place to work for a number of reasons. The people that I work with in particular, but also the product that we make people's lives better to health reasons.